Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to claim 1 million coins, how to claim full throttle milestone of the Heroes event in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap this Heroes event. You can tap it and jump into the main chapter, the first chapter. So this is the gathering rewards full throttle. This is like kinda milestone reward. Collect the final rewards in the motor and the tricky beast chapters to unlock the milestone rewards. So all you have to do is collect the final reward of this motor chapter. As you can see, I already collect this Ramirez. So to collect this Ramirez, all you have to do is open this all reward path by playing this requiring charges. So you can obtain this. This is the motor token. And also, this is the final reward of the Tricky Beast chapter. As you can see, I already claimed the Javier Mascherano because I need him to rank up my player. And all you have to do is open this all reward path. As you can see, I already opened all by using this token. This is the Tricky Beast token that you can earn from this discharging challenge. So you have to complete the Tricky Beast and the motor chapters. So the main reward in the main chapter, the full throttle will open, so you can claim this 1 million coin. Tap free button, tap to open, and we got the coins. So the next milestone is Midfield Symphony. It's same with the full throttle. You have to collect the final reward in the conductor chapter. And the last one is Fire and Ice. You have to collect the final rewards in the Flash Freeze and the Arctic Soldier chapters. Thank you for watching. Challenge yourself. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.